How to charge your Aolon smartwatch. So because there is no charger adapter in the purchase package, so here I recommended that you use a cell phone charger with a capacity of 10 watt or less. And here I wanna using this charger adapter. The size is 10 watts like this. And the position of charging is like this. You can take a position of the pin like this, and you just make sure the position is the pin is connected like this. Now let's try it. In the first step, I want connecting this cable to the charging adapter. Take a position like this, and you just make sure this position is connected. Now you can see the charging is connecting. But if you turn it over, it won't stick together because this is the magnetic like this, will not connected. But if this is on the right position, it will connect it easily like this. Okay guys, just like this, how to charging Aolon Watch Corp smartwatch. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.